Hello everyone, this is Manoj Kumar Sahu. This is my first video of C programming. So today we will see introduction to C language. First of all we will see what is language. Language means क्या होता है? The method of human communication, either spoken or written, consisting of the use of words in a structured way. For example, Odia, Hindi, English, etc. languages. When we are communicating in English language, we need to form a sentence. To form a sentence, first we should arrange the words in a proper manner. ना लैंग्वेज क्या होता है? जब हम कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं, हम कैसे करते हैं? आइदर स्पोकन और रिटन. तो हम क्या कोई भी एक लैंग्वेज को यूज़ करते हैं, सच एज आइदर हिंदी और इंग्लिश और उड़िया एट्सेट्रा. सपोज जब हम इंग्लिश में कम्युनिकेशन करना चाहते हैं तो हमको क्या करना पड़ता है? ना सेंटेंस को बनाना पड़ता है और उसका क्या है ना प्रॉपर मैनर में फॉलो करते हैं. क्या रूल एंड रेगुलेशन, अरेंज द वर्ड्स. हम क्या है ना वर्ड को अरेंज करके सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. सो दैट इज लैंग्वेज. देन वी विल सी व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज. ए कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज इज ए set of programs and application or software. By using computer language we can communicate with the systems. कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज क्या होता है? ये एक सॉफ्टवेयर है. सब फॉर एग्जांपल क्या है? सपोज ए पर्सन wants to communicate with the computer systems. Already we knows that computer can understand only machine level language, that is 0 and 1. So यहाँ क्या होता है ना, एक पर्सन कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज 0 and 1. तो machine level language कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड बाय ह्यूमन बीइंग. So then a person how to communicate with a computer. So here we need a computer language. Then introduction to C programming. C programming is a general purpose procedural computer programming language developed in 1972 by Dennis M. Ritchie at AT&T Bell Laboratories to develop the Unix operating system. सी प्रोग्राम क्या होता है? सी प्रोग्राम को क्या बोलते हैं ना, इसको प्रोसीजरल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं. क्योंकि ना इट एग्जीक्यूट स्टेप बाय स्टेप और वन आफ्टर executing one line it will execute another line only. So it is called as procedural language, or it is also called procedural because there is no reusability. We can see in later videos. तो सी प्रोग्रामिंग को किसने डेवलप किया है? डेनिस रिची ने. कब? 1972 एट AT&T बेल लेबोरेटरीज में, फॉर डेवलपिंग द यूनिक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. Generally, C programming language is generally used for software development field. Then we will see history of C language. The base the base or father of a computer language is ALGOL. It was first introduced in 1960. It was first introduced in 1960. Algol was used on a large basis in European countries. Algol introduced the concept of structured programming language. In 1967, a new computer programming language was developed that is called BCPL. BCPL stands for Basic Combined Programming Language. Developed BCPL language was developed by Martin Richards. In 1970, a new programming language called B was introduced by Ken Thompson that contained multiple features of BCPL. This programming language was created using Unix operating system at AT&T Bell Laboratories. Both BCPL and B were system programming languages. In 1972, a great computer scientist named Dennis Ritchie created a new programming language called C at the AT&T Bell Laboratories. It was created from ALGOL, BCPL, and B programming languages. So, these are the history of C language. So, thank you for watching this video.